few years ago we did the actual kitchen. I can insert a picture of what that looked like. It's insane, the difference to me. So a few years ago we did the tile, we painted all the cabinets. We also put in new countertops, and all the other appliances now match as well, which is perfect. I'm gonna share the pantry slash cabinetry edition we did. We used to have the pantry here. It had a wired rack and it had the accordion doors, which we didn't love. Where the old fridge was located, it would get in the way if someone was doing the dishes while cooking, and so it just wasn't functional for such a small space. Thankfully, there was an outlet already installed in this hole in the wall, and so all we did was transfer the fridge over and made sure it fit in that location, and then we decided to build built-ins all up and down this wall. Here is how we moved the fridge and added these cabinets to make it a built-in look. Tackled this. We now need to tackle this. There's a bar up there I have to remove all that stuff, and then we're gonna put in this. Obviously it'll need to be painted, but at least it'll match all of that. Building my own drawer in the middle cabinet because I wanted something that I can pull out and grab the items in the back of the pantry. That was important to me because I didn't want to have to like pull everything out of a deep cupboard. I just think that's frustrating. Upper one is mostly pastas, and then the drawer we have, that is full of our Ziplocs and baggies and toothpicks, and the middle cabinet houses a lot of our cans and flours and breads and potatoes, onions, stuff like that. And then the bottom cabinet stores all of our bulky items, crock pots, big pots, stuff like that. is super functional, and I am so happy that we took the opportunity to do this. Kind of thankful the old fridge died, because if it didn't die, we would have probably not done this project. But overall, I think it turned out really great, and I'm pleased with it. And yeah, see you on the next one.